Antonius Mizaldus de Mundi Sphaera, Episode 20. Here we have a prose interlude between lines of poetry in which the contents that follow, the subsequent contents, are briefly described. So here we have, of the worldly sphere, Mundanae Sphaerae, or of the universe, a brief and compressed or abridged division, divisio. I suppose I could follow my normal practice and give the Latin first. Mundanae Sphaerae seu universi, brevis ac compendiosa divisio. So here we have divisio as the subject, and est is implicit. So here is, or there is, a division of the worldly sphere or of the universe. So Mundi Sphaerae and universi, these are all genitive, although Mundanae Sphaerae is a feminine singular genitive, and universi is a neuter and singular genitive. Divisio then has two modifiers, namely compendiosa and brevis. So all three of those are in the feminine singular and nominative. So to review, these are not lines of poetry. It's a short, a brief prose sentence which describes the contents that are coming next. So here is a short, brevis, and a compressed, compendiosa, division or separation of the worldly sphere or of the universe. So these are being used, of course, as synonyms. Down here I've given, just to illustrate the notion of abridgment or abbreviation, which is what compendiosa means, I've given a list of common Latin abbreviations just to give an image of sorts to illustrate the episode.
If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.